Welcome back once more to my channel, everyone. It's to MOSHEH TV here again. So as you can see on the soundboard, we want to go and give a tour to the Anambra State Secretariat Road. This particular road has a direct link to the Aroma Junction, very close to that Aroma flyover. Once you get to Aroma flyover, you'll be seeing that sample that just snap facing you on the face. So we're going to be touring this road to see how it looks like and what is the current condition of the road. So as you can see in my video, some section of the road is still in good condition, just that the normal thing that used to be on all the other road is also there, which is deep sand and not properly swept and not properly kept. That's the only thing I can see here, and the road actually need maintenance. So recently I saw on the news, I think on Facebook, from Soludo.TV, that the Anambra State Executive Council, which is the ANSEC, has approved the construction, or should I say maintenance, or maybe construction from, let me read the way they post it. They said the Anambra State Executive Council has approved the construction of the ever busy Aroma to State Secretariat Road. They said the project is awarded to Guild Construction and will be completed in 10 days ahead of the 2024 Public Service Day celebration. That is exactly the way they posted it, and I saw the news on Soludo.TV on Facebook. So that is how I saw the news. So, and after seeing the news, I decided to come and give this road a tour to see how it currently looking. And lo and behold, the last time I visited this location, the road was looking more neat and clear than this. It has not been well taken care of, and no sweeping is being done on that aspect. I really enjoy it if this road will be reconstructed, like they said. If it has been awarded and to be reconstructed, I will enjoy it, because for those who are not aware, this road also have direct link to that alias Ekweme Square, the one that is leading to the new government house. They have a common direct link. So, and the state secretariat we are talking about is very close to the new government house. The only thing demarcating them is just a little gate, a tiny gate. There is common road that is linking this particular state secretariat house to the new government house. So all of them are almost in the same place. So it's good to reconstruct this road to shine together with the rest of the road. So if it is actually true that the road have been awarded, is a welcome development, and I'm really enjoying the whole thing, honestly. So this is the current look of the road. As you can see, most section of the road has been spoiled already, and it's not looking neat at all. It's not looking like a road that is leading to the a state secretariat house. So it actually need that reconstruction, and that is all I have to comment on this particular project that they just awarded. So, but one thing I'm getting confused of is that they said awarded and to be completed in 10 days. I'm not sure if that is possible, but we will be watching and see how it goes. Let's see if they will be completed in 10 days or it will exceed 10 days. We're gonna be watching everything as they unfold. So my only concern is for the road to be reconstructed so that it will be shining well with the rest of the road, which are currently in the same area. So the road you are just seeing right now will link you to that new government house road. From there you can have a view of the alias Ekweme Square, showing you that they have a common link road. And if you are leaving this axis, or this axis heading down there, you will still see that newly constructed government house. So they are of the same space, so it's good if it is reconstructed. So guys, if you have any comments to make about this and the 10 days gap they give for the reconstruction to be completed, kindly do drop them via my comment section. And I used to say, please, no insult, just politely drop your comment. Tell us what you feel about the whole thing, and if it is a welcome development, and if it is not, tell us your own opinion, and tell us your opinion about the current condition of this road. Let's hear from you. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the like button, and also don't forget to share. Please and please, no insult in the comment section, unless I will remove your comment. Please stick to the YouTube guidelines. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet in another update.